could wear it on a gala, like so pretty. I love it. So yeah, this is my yoga mat. So let's go and work out.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, today is a Sunday. I got my hair all oiled up and we received a new yoga mat, and I would love to show you guys because it's one of my greatest buy over times. So yeah, let me show you. Dun, dun. So this is the new yoga mat from Tego, and I have like read a 500 total reviews on it. Like, I really wanted a yoga mat that does not feel like a plastic. I don't slip on it, and it should have the grip, that fabricated grip that a cloth when you're performing all the positions of yoga. So yeah, let's open it. I love the color because I love neon. And it just makes me feel happy. Like, I didn't want something dark and black and blue. It's like it matches with my vibe in there. So yeah, let's unpack it. Yeah. Today is a Sunday and I've called Vaishnavi again up because I just don't feel like cooking alone these days. It's just like I want some partner with me. So I will miss this tag, but yeah, it's like Tego Stance Yoga Mat, a truly reversible mat with a functional design and a solid construction to add stability to your workout. So yeah, it's like 5 mm. So I think this is the thickest mat I had. Previously, I had like a 4.5 mm, and this is like 5 mm, and it's also huge, like 72/24. So of plastic, and here it goes. Are you excited? Yes, I am. It's heavy, but like I could wear it on a gala, like so pretty. I love it. So yeah, this is my yoga mat. So let's go and work out. After a great workout, thought of cleaning and stuff because heard that cleaning also cleans your mind. So when you're physically cleaning something, that also impacts the dirt inside your mind and also cleans them. So I don't know what psychology is that, but I believe in it deeply. So thought of cleaning. It was a Sunday, and yeah, so that was it. After cleaning, we also did a little bit of transition. Via transition, I don't know how to do it, but I did it. Ta-da! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Imani, yet back with another video. And today we are here to, it's a Sunday first of all, and secondly we thought why not again cook something delicious to eat. And guess what we have planned to cook? Momo! Yeah, and it's all going to be home ingredient and nothing from outside. And yeah, let's speak while we also tell you the stories of how Momo got into our lives and how it, it had a major impact in our lives while we were in boarding school. So I'm going to tell you a tons of story, which is pathetic to very brave, like how we used to order and stuff. And first of all, we're going to take all the ingredients that is required for preparing a momo. So
We are gonna cook, authentic type. So there is not much ingredients we're gonna use. We'll just be using, since we have mushroom, so we'll be using mushroom, cabbage, onion, and green chilies, coriander, and garlic and butter.
okay.
Done. That's
Okay,
it.
so these are the
and black
ingredients.
pepper, guys. Don't
yeah, very
forget.
important, black pepper. And we're not going to use any sort of Ajinomoto. I see many Nepali people.
Why?
Yeah, they use Ajinomoto to enhance the taste. So,
Okay, so-
we're not going to do that because it barely impacts the taste of the momos.
No,
we are
first
going
we'll
to
prepare the dough.
okay. First, we'll prepare the
So
dough.
boil the water a little, and now this is maida. So first we'll add some salt here. Okay.
Little bit of salt, just for the
so that
it does not look fika, so a little bit of salt, like a sprinkle,
a little, and then put some
a
water.
little warm water, and we're gonna go all in. A lot of mixing required in order to make the dough very, to make it a little softer, so that it does not give you the hard feeling, and the like जो रोटी हम लोग बनाते हैं for the momo, वो बहुत ही पतला होना चाहिए, and in order to make it very patla you need to do it very well. So let's see how many minutes we're going to do that. Yeah, so let's start with the first story of Anthony's. So I was in class 1 when I was first introduced to Momo, when we had just gone to boarding school. We had this visiting day, right? After 3 months of just getting admitted in the boarding school. Okay, we had like a 5 days visiting day where my mom and my dad, they had just come to visit us. So we had a very small stall near our school, very small. It was like a house, can say, but they were selling momos, so that daily workers or daily teachers who are teaching,
People know what I'm trying to do here.
what are you trying to show muscles? Okay, whatever.
Okay, whatever.
So,
Just distracted, okay, guys?
yeah. So we had a very small stall near our school, and my mom and dad we just exploring, and then we just got inside, and everybody was eating, and then veg, non-veg, and they said it's veg as well as non-veg. The choice is yours if you want to take veg, if you want to take non-veg. So me and then we were like, what is this white thing? Ew, like that kind of, like it was like full boiled stuff, so we are very allergic to some boiled stuff. Why are you hiding?
We have an intruder. क्यों आई है मम्मी? हाँ.
So yeah, so me and Dhananjay were like, we're not going to eat this. We're going to eat something spicy, some masala, butter chicken masala, or some naan and some veggies. So we thought something like that.
Veggies, सब्जी ना बोला जा रहा. Veggies.
Or we were also planning to eat some biryani, with a lot of chicken in
Oh,
it. So
remember
when I
that-
was back in
Remember that biryani? Ace जिसका नाम था.
Amarjeet's.
Oh my
Amarjeet's
God.
Karshong. Like, if you guys are from Karshong, do let me know.
They
in
changed the
comments.
recipe. They changed the chef.
Yeah, but still, it is better than all those are
Yeah.
there in Kurshong. So, good job, you Punjabi people. One Punjabi hotel we had in Kurshong, and that aced it. Like, all the students you could just find out there eating and giggling and stuff like that.
You have to
Every time.
kiss your dough for it to be soft. It melts when you kiss it.
Let me complete the story now. Me and Dhananjay were just making a face. Oh my god! And the first serve they gave us. First we were like, नहीं man, हमने बस एक plate order करेंगे, and then we'll check it out how it is. Then we'll order second plate and third plate and fourth plate. So they gave it to us, and first impression of momo in my eyes, like it had my heart. Authenticity, the chutney, bro, dalle का वो लोग चटनी बनाते हैं, which makes it so tasty, like just gallop it. So that was my first story and a first encounter to the very famous Momo. So from there, I got introduced. So you tell me, how was your introduction
Oh,
to?
I hated momo. I hated the smell. I hated the soup. The chutney was too spicy for me. But I remember one incident when we were in Reliance and there was some Holi or something going on. Oh, Diwali. There was Diwali. So
And we had served they had served us
chicken momo.
momo.
And I was like, shit, this is my dinner. And first, though, in afternoon, we had gotten some, boiled gobi and all. And I was like, shit, I didn't even have my lunch. And I was so hungry. And they used to eat all my tucks. I used to be so hungry. And I was like, okay, what to do, what to do. I just took out the wrap, the white wrap. And I just ate the, boiled chicken. And I loved it. I was like, okay, if this is tasty, then I should try eating, the entire momo. But I tried and I puked.
But I don't know how one can not like momo. So if you guys are out there not liking this, this kind of dish, I would ask you to kindly come out of the video and relax and just meditate to something very normal. So because this video is going to be only about the talks about momo and the craze that we have about momo and
You will
everything
not
related
ask
to
me
momo.
how I started loving momo.
So how did you start loving it? Like first impression was exponentially
it
bad.
was actually during lockdown when my elder sister Shivani she had cooked momo, and that too she had cooked for like 20 people, but we were only 3 of us. The Ninja was not there, no. The Ninja was also
So you started liking it during the lockdown.
Yes. And before that, I never had momo. I was like, I didn't understand the concept. Why would you write some kacha maida on some chicken or veggies? And then she cooked, and then I was forced to eat. I was like, sure, I can't have, I don't eat momo. And she was like, please, we have to finish it, just taste. And I was like, okay. And that too, not good momo, she didn't know how to wrap. She didn't know what size of, roti we have to make to fill, how to fill. But then I had. And my mind was blown, and then we two fought. Like, I'm gonna compliment her later, first let me have. And that day I ate like around 30 momos. It's not momos, it's momo.
Momo, yeah. So that was her story, and from where she like started liking. So thanks to Shiva out there, like if she's seeing this, thanks to you for making us eat so good food. Like while you were there here, you literally changed the way we eat, the way we look at food, and we always thought food has to be healthy. It cannot be tasty, homemade food especially. So thanks to her for making every dish count and every dish count in that tasteful something to eat. So yeah, thanks to you. Can you not make that noise, because I had a lot of trouble editing it because it's direct to the mic, right? And it just popping the sound.
How to chop?
The sound should not be there.
But that is the vibe.
So yeah, so that was the story. So thanks Shiva, thanks out there so much. You have just brought me to my eating era. Just kidding.
Eating era.
Because in Reliance, where it was my first boarding school, you see, we had been only served with all those boiled kaddu,
With no spices.
no spices, no boiled pumpkin. And if they would give us something eggish, non-vegetarian, you would see no masala, egg scrambled. If you're giving chicken, you could just see the soup, the white,
We could see
yellowish.
the blood.
No, yellowish soup I'm talking about.
Okay, yeah.
Soup. So you could just see the soup and little dhania, I just remember. And mutton. We used to be served with mutton in Reliance Residential, and I remember इतना वाहियात उसका taste था. And when I asked like why is it like this, and then I remember one sir had told me, one warden had told me that it's a she goat and not a he goat. it just went like this. What is it like? What are I feeling?
How old
at?
were you?
It was very bad. 7, 8.
How old were I? Was I?
You were like 5.
No,
4,
I was
4.
not. I was 4. Oh, you remember that
4
story
years
when my
old.
first teeth broke and Bono was consoling her. I was like, no, I don't want big teeth, and I was crying like crazy in the
Yeah, and her
breakfast
teeth was
hall.
like this small her teeth was, and then we had one Bono Miss. Her name was also Manoli. So she was the
Manoli.
one teacher who actually taught me how to speak English, how to cook English, like literally cook English. Like how would you frame sentence? How would you discard
She basically
words?
taught us how to think in English.
Yeah, so that was basically a story from past boarding school. It was like so much fun. Like, if somebody has not attended the boarding school, I think the life is incomplete. I think many of us who were Gen Zs, I'm sure 1 to 2 years you might have stayed out of your home, and that experience will never be forgotten throughout your life.
Yeah, you just become a different person, you know. You develop a different personality.
Yeah, like you learn how to live all by yourself without having to cry over something. So again, next Momo stories, guys, would love to tell you guys. Yeah, so this was the story of Anthony, how we got introduced, and suddenly we started getting served at festivals and all, like Diwali and all. And it was fun. Bonfires also, we had a lot of momos there, prepared. And we used to eat like cow, like literally cow. So when we changed the boarding school from when we went to Reliance to St. Anthony's, Kershaw, it was partially a missionary school, so nothing from outside could come and intervene. Not even the food that you eat has to be from outside hotels or stalls or anything. Everything had to be cooked inside, and everything that you get from your home, in your trunks or tucked in. We used to be so bored of the school's food. इतना boring लगता था. Bhai, when we reached senior classes, like till junior classes, there was nothing such like you could order it from outside. तो हम लोग जो भी my parents हमारे parents लाते थे वो हम लोग खाते थे. So nothing such. We were very decent when we were in junior classes. जब हम 7th grade में आए तो we had a window. Okay, back of our classroom we had a window, and which was connected to a momo stall. It was not eventually a momo stall, but it was just a house. तो वो बस घर हुआ करता था, and I don't know, from somewhere he had just opened a small momo stall, the shop kind of thing. So teachers and all used to eat from there, and we used to just peep and देखते थे कौन खा रहा है and all that. Like very small window. One day we decided to order, like we decided to talk to the owner of the stall. Eventually he was very small. He was like say 22, and we were like 60,
मम्मी
70.
कद्दूकस है क्या?
So हम बहुत बातें किए पहले कि आप कैसे यहाँ किए, मतलब अच्छा लोकेशन है, you're very good, just try to be consistent, keep the quality good so that people come to you again and again and again. तो ये सब बातें flow में we said, can you make us try? And then he served us one plate of momo through the window, like खिड़की से हमें वो दिया, and we tasted it, and mind blown. It was only 8 pieces, and we were like 9 girls, literally.
Shit.
Yeah, and he just gave us a plate. I don't know, 5, 6 didn't get. Only 3 of us. We just ate and we just ate. And then we were like, "Bhaiya, we'll give you money. We'll not take it for free. We'll give you money. So please, हमें दे दीजिए." Guess how much money we gave him?
How much? 500.
700. भैया
That time
700 का मोमो दे दो.
That time the momo was like 30-40 rupees, no?
Yeah, 30-40 rupees. So can you imagine, like
Bhaisi.
700 momos, like 700 rupee ka momo. So it is around how much? How much it was?
How much?
8 into, I think around 100 pieces. We used to not even count. Guess in what he used to give us. That time polybag was not a scene. and he used to give us in a poly bag. Imagine
Hot,
700 ka hot 700 ka momo in a poly bag. What would you say? Thank God it's not a black plastic. It was a white, or else it would feel more disgusting.
It used to be this aluminium, this polythene.
No, वो बोल नहीं होता था ना. ये 700 का he was like, अरे मैं aluminium foil ही खत्म हो जाएगा. चलो पन्नी में ही दे देते हैं. Then he gave us and we ate, guys. इतना खुश हो गए हम लोग, इतना खुश. Like क्या बताऊँ मैं. फिर यही सब हुआ. We started ordering once we got caught. तो हमें पकड़ लिया था एक वार्डन ने and I literally started crying. What else can I do?
Always a crybaby.
I started crying because I got caught and she was like, I will take you to the principal's office. तुम वहीं पे बात कर लेना. And she's not even understanding what I was telling her. So me and Simran, I think we got caught.
Oh shit.
We saved all of them. Only we got caught. सिमरन तो चिल. अरे एक खाना के लिए क्या ही कर लेगी वो, क्या ही कर लेगी. Me एकदम. My parents will know it and I'm going to cry and this that. अब
Sad
हमारा
life.
मोमो का स्टोरी.
Hi guys.
कितना लाना है?
You guys should be asking about my skincare. Like if you had seen me around 3 to 4 years
हाँ?
ago, you would
अमूल वाला ले
known that I
लेना.
used to have a lot of pimples and breakouts. Oh, the teeth I was talking. I still have it. See? You can see it. I should be going on a Guinness record.
What?
Oh, I'm gonna get my periods. For my teeth.
Boarding school momos. Momos were our,
Savior.
but on a staple food out there. So even if you're not hungry and some people come with, okay, this is a momo for you, one plate, and
Like how you ate your meal right now and you're still very happy to, eat momo.
I don't know क्या है ये, like who is invented this, like
हाँ मम्मी.
you guys,
हाँ,
the
मेरे पास मसाला
ingredients that is full on ready. Come with me. Ingredient that this is coriander leaves, my favorite. Like if you all know, you know. This is paneer. We have taken some paneer. Looks like cheese, but it is paneer. This is some himani, hot and spicy. This is onion and ये है हमारा mushroom. ये है garlic, only a little bit for the fine taste. And then this is cabbage. For the it's the main ingredient. अगर आप veg मोमो बना रहे हैं तो ये हमारा main ingredient हो जाता है. And these are for chutney, so that our chutney is spicy and flavorful. 6. This is butter to make it a little juicy, so we are just gonna spread it out a little bit. मम्मी का prepare हो रहा है.
जल्दी दे दो ना.
Nimki. We call it nimki. Many of you all guys call it namkeen. तो ये है हमारा निमकी. ये हमारा एक तैयार हो गया है. सो लेट्स टेस्ट कैसा बना है. बहुत गर्म है.
चलो.
Yummy. Come on, let's do it. First we're going to mix all the cabbage. Mix onion a little bit, though it's very much. Some cheese,
It's cottage cheese.
cottage cheese, some himani,
Spicy.
and some garlic, and then some coriander leaves, my favorite. और ये हमारा mix ready हो जाएगा 2 मिनट में. A little bit of butter to have that juicy texture. So to give a juicy.
Oh no, it got contaminated.
So a little bit of that.
We should
and-
melt it and put, but since no time, guys, I have to run.
It's okay. It's okay. Black pepper. Do not forget your black peppers, and this is kind of how it looks. Little bit of salt to your taste, and then that's it.
You have to mix it with your hand, you know, so that
Mix it.
all the juices of onion and cabbage. Ooh, the smell! I can smell kurshon.
What? Look who is saying she can smell Kershaw. Who does not even like momos. अब हम prepare करेंगे रोटी का. So let's see how roti is gonna come out. Till then, I'm gonna sing you guys a song. Which song do I sing?
सारे जहां से अच्छा.
हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा.
Wow, Hima, you have to taste. Taste. How is the salt? Salt पड़ेगा?
नहीं बहुत नमकीन हो गया भाई.
Really?
Here. So guys, if you guys want to learn how to fold the momo, it's here. Like I'm putting it right here.
See. Okay, so you just put a little bit of filling. Okay, and then you just do like this, and then you hold one, and then you dab, you dab, you dab, you dab, and you keep going and make plates, and then you do this, and then you just join it. There you go. I added it with.
बहुत कम लोग बनाते हैं, so I love with the soup. So what I did is just grated some अदरक and जो भी मसाला हमारे मोमो के अंदर फिलिंग था वो मैंने 2 चम्मच बस डाल दिया बस. That's it. A little salt, a little black pepper. That's it. What you do in order to put grease is we take butter from here like this. Take a normal tissue paper or home kitchen tissue you can take and take a little bit butter like this, and then you just grease it, and you just grease it like this so that momo is not stick to it. Guys, after lot of chaos, हमारा momo ready है. So are you guys excited? Yes, you guys are. So let me show you guys. 1, 2.
That's kacha. It's paka hua. Oh wow.
So we're going to first taste and we're going to take mom's reaction. Let's see how she reacts. So let's go. Hi guys, so the final wait is over and I can't wait for you guys to see how it came out. I also want you all to see what mom says about it. So we're going to make her taste. Also do let me know what to cook next. So the soup is here guys. If you're not having the momo soup, I don't think the momo is completed. Important है. कैसा लग रहा है? Soup का 10 में कितना मिलना चाहिए? 9 तो मिल जाना. Guys, the momo is here. And we are going to ask. We also have a lot of salad. Okay, mama? 10 में से कितना? Oh, 10 का 10 आ गया guys. 10 का 10. Ask the chef. Let's ask the chef. उसको कैसा लगा है बनाने में?
So chalak, bro. So chalak she is.
So let's ask.
I got the bigger ones. Ooh, wow.
जल्दी जल्दी बेल दिया ना. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बेल.
So yummy, man. I can't believe I made this.
But the food is very good. What you do is, do what?
It's just a reflex.
When you are eating momo, you also keep in mind that you take tissue paper with yourself so that when this comes, you just swipe it off like that, and then you'll eat it.
Actually, if you eat any of Vaishnavi cooked food, you have to keep a tissue with yourself. No thanks. That's mine. No, Hema, no. No, Nani.